Hey guys, I'm going to play with the July paper pumpkin kit that I showed you the other day. I'm going to actually go ahead and make them the way they are in the box, at least one of each, and then I'm going to come back and show them to you, and then maybe we'll do one together. Okay, see you soon. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, I made one of each of the note cards. I made one basket so far. I'm going to show you how to make the basket. I'm not going to show you tonight how to do the cards, but I'll give a couple tips. There's a straight line in here, and that is meant to be stitching. In the picture, there is a stitch line all around the edges. Well, you know me and my straight lines, so you're going to have to forgive me. They're not very straight. This one's probably the best one. And you just put it, the actual clear stamp right up against the edge, and it'll give you a pretty good line, but you have to stamp it twice per edge and kind of line it up. So I also suggest you have a piece of scrap paper under your card to do that. Then these vellum squares go on top, and they fit inside, and one edge is scalloped like it's torn, and the other edge is straight. Just make sure you, well, you don't have to, but I would put them on the same direction each time, so each one you do, at least in a set, has the either rough edge on the sides or rough edge on the top, and that fits inside your stitched lines. And then you wrap your twine around and tie a little bow, and then you put dimensionals on your fruit and put them down and put your stickers under. And then the other thing I'd recommend is do all your stamping ahead of time. Now the other thing they give you is this line thing here, or I guess you could use this other, I think this is for the basket because it's like a crosshatch. So you use this ridge, and the way they did it is they put that on the straight edge ones, and then they go under your other shaped ones, which are either the rounded, the regular pennant style, or the rounded pennant style. I don't know, you can see different shapes. And it's easiest to attach those all together before you put them down on top of the fruit, so you can get them lined up good. So I used my glue dots to do that, and then I put dimensionals on. Yeah, that's these, and that worked out pretty good. Now they give you actually right in your kit instructions, which are okay, but there's some gaps. But anyway, there's like a ruler down here. So they do tell you wrap card front with 24-inch white baker's twine. And it says twice, but actually it went around 3 times for me with that, but I also did run out of room for one of my bows. So yeah, so this is 9 inches, so you'd have to do 9, 9 is 18, and 6 is 24. So you can measure it out here without having to have a ruler. You do need scissors. You do need scissors. So anyway, I would do all your stamping of all your tags and things first, get all your parts laid out, then stamp your stitches, do all your vellums, then put your dimensionals on all your fruits and put them down, then your green leaf stickers, and then apply your banners and things. And then look at these cute envelopes. They don't really need anything done with them. This has the green apple inside the apple ones. The blueberry has the blueberry bushel, and the front is the blueberries. And the red, I think, is something lipstick. Forgive me, I don't know all the colors yet. Okay, so the basket looks like this. Isn't this adorable? Oh, and by the way, when I showed this the other day. I said, oh, look at these cute mason jars, because doesn't it look like a mason jar when you put it like that with the lid? But they put the hole for the tag down here. I almost left it the other way around and was going to punch a new hole there, and I may still do that on some of them, but for now this is it. And I stamped the to from. So this stamp set is great. You get thank you, which is on the blueberries here. You get thinking of you, which is on the strawberries, and you could change them however you want to do them. That's why I only did one of each. You get enjoy. You get a for you, which I didn't use. You get the to from. And let's see, what did I miss? And then you get the dotted lines, the ridges, and then this basket weave, which I'm not sure how they used that. They might have used that along the brims of the basket, but the basket itself is already, see, it's got like a finish on it, and it's textured like a basket weave. So I'm gonna go through with you how to do the basket because it's very easy. I hope I don't run out of camera memory on this phone. So get out 2 brads and have them ready. You really need minimal extra. You're gonna need, well, might need twine at the end. Okay, so we have our basket base, and it looks like this. You move this out of the way, and you're just going to fold these other sides up, and those are the long sides. Okay, then you have your basket handle, which is a plasticky material, and it has 2 little holes here, one on each end. Okay, and then you have your long brim sticker, and you're going to need 2 of them, but just 1 for starters. Okay, so the first thing we do is we take our handle, line it up with our long brim end, put our brad through. Oops, maybe. And the hard part for me was prying it apart. And I just actually did my nails today, guys, so I'm probably ruining them. Okay, so then you take your long basket, your long side. There's actually lines on here, so you can line that up. Don't wrap it around the top. I did that the first time. I had to pull it off. Just leave it like that. Yes, there's a little end. Don't worry about that for now. Then bring your side up and meet the corner in there. There will be a gap on the side like any fruit basket would have. And wrap that end around to the middle of the side. And then we're going to do that again on the other side. We'll get another long brim sticker. Bring this over. Now, you know, I put that on the outside, but I think the first time I did it on the inside. I'm going to do it on the inside, so I think I like that better. And then put your brad through. And open it so that it stays. And then put that down. You will fold your little ends over on the score mark, but don't wrap it around yet. Kind of line that up. Sorry, line that up and press down so that your handle, no, see, I should have put the handle the other way. I did it right the first time. Okay, anyway, you go like that, and then you line up the edge with the other edge and bring this over. And don't worry that there's seams showing, because we're going to cover that. We are going to cover that. Okay, so there we have a basket. So cute. So now we find our short brim sticker, and all we're going to do is put that on the side here to cover that seam. And just press it down really good, and then do it on the other side as well. Okay, this actually was much faster than the cards. And if you do the cards in assembly line style, definitely, like I said, do all your stamping first and then do your assembly, and it'll go much faster. I only did the 3 because I was learning what I was doing, but now I know. But I may not make 12 note cards. I'm still deciding. Then grab a piece of your, they call it cotton paper. It's a different feel, and I sort of fold it, put it down in the middle, and then pull it apart so that you have edges on either side. And you're going to have to play with it and then push it down. It's like a fruit basket. So this is a nice little, you know, like treat basket or something for a little, like if you're having a family picnic, it would be cute. A family reunion or something. You could take little goodies to put on the table for each family member. I think that would be adorable. My family, we used to do family reunions and stuff, but so many are gone now that we're lucky if we have a picnic at all. Now you can cut this extra end off. I'm not gonna bother with it because on the one side anyway, I'm gonna put a tag that says to from, and I'm just getting out my twine, and I don't know, it doesn't tell you this, so you also might want to do all your cards before you do your baskets to make sure you have enough twine, but I think they probably give you plenty. And then just come back here, and if it'll let me tie a little bow. So fumble fingers here. I have enough trouble tying a bow, let alone tying it around a basket handle. So, oops. There we go. Well, good enough. You get the idea. And there you have it. Easy peasy basket making. And then I think the idea was that you would put all your thank you cards, for example, in this basket, but I don't know why you couldn't keep them separate, and then, you know, your strawberries, and use them as treat bags or baskets. And then I don't have one yet for the apples. So there, guys, is a paper pumpkin for July. I will be playing around with it more, but that's probably the last video on it that I'll do. So if you have any questions, if you have it and you don't understand something and you'd like an explanation, please let me know and I'll be glad to help you as best I can, because I'm learning this as we go. So enjoy your evening or your morning or whatever it is, and I'll talk to you the next time. Hugs, love, and peace.